Testing the BDST probe with the actual BDST and real radio signals. Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It is 4:45 now in the afternoon on this Wednesday. I have in front of me the probe, and I have a radio, and I have my newly constructed BDST. This is one with the modifications we decided on. Now there's going to be some hum on this, and I'm sorry for that, but this is part of the process getting this working. We had to make some jumpers up and bypass some traces and such as that to get the low and the high gain that we wanted, and we're going to show you exactly how that works. I'm going to be connecting to an IF transformer, so we will be in the radio frequency range, and the radio is on and tuned to a station right now, so let me do that before we go too much further. Hard to hear, but you can hear it in there. Now that is, like I say, an IF frequency, and we'll turn it back down and get you a audio frequency if I can. I think I can.
Money go? Nothing.
Turn it on low. So there's your low and your high gain. Here, let me turn it back up on the high, and you can see how much I have to.
Once you know, you'll feel like you got a raise. Plus every dollar shoots across devices.
There's the difference of that.
Budgeting from your desktop.
Like I said, it's not perfect, but we're working on it.
Join the 5 million.
Again, let me go back to the IF. This one's a little hard to get onto. So there you go. There's the two extremes for you. An IF and AF frequencies on there. The probe does work. It demodulates the RF as well as lets the AF come through. So happy about that, and just thrilled to death. I did have a problem with it when I first started trying to play with it. The ground had apparently come disconnected, and I had to go back in and resolder that, but it is working now, so that is a good thing. I really haven't tried too much to get any other signals off of this. I mean, as far as any other places, like I said, I don't know which RF that is, or IF. Let me look and see if I can tell. It is one of these here that I'm getting. The red or the black, it looks like. So there's only 3 IF cans on here. Well, one's the oscillator. That may have been the oscillator I was looking at, or messing with. But it may have been the other one. I don't know. Either one, doesn't much matter. Probably wasn't seeing that. But got it off frequency a little bit. So there's the radio itself. Turn it all the way down. You can go with this. Again, back to the IF. And AF.
$10. #1 all-time best-selling book, 7 million copies sold.
So there you go. I think that's a pretty good demonstration as far as capability of the device to trace RF and AF signals. Now again, the hum is going to be gone as soon as we get the actual board set up for this. We want to make sure this time that we get the right one. We thought this was it, but some problems creeped up. So let me take a look at this a little bit closer. Let me turn this radio off. Turn this off. I did put a R or a B and C on that just for the. I didn't get that real straight, but like I said, it works. I was going to put the black grill that I bought for this, but we're going to have to, if we do that, we're going to have to use a smaller inner hole because that grill is a separate. The grill piece and the surround piece is two separate things, and it comes loose. It doesn't. It falls right through that hole at that size. So we're gonna have to go with a smaller hole, or Bob, I think, hot glued his in. I guess that would probably work, but that's why I use this just for now. And went that way. There's our side view of the. I don't have a knob on it, but other than that, that's what that looks like. And there's our back view. So that's pretty much it as far as the way that's going to look. I don't think there's going to be much change other than this is going to be, instead of RF and AF, it's going to be high gain, low gain. And that's the only difference there. But everything works. It does just fine, other than the hum. But like I said, that will go away as soon as we get our boards back. When you just basically bypass those ground planes on that board, it really starts humming. But it just shows it's working. So I don't have it plugged in now. Alright, I think that's going to do me. I just wanted to do a real quick one and show you that it is working and that I did get it together. As far as I don't have a very long ground on here. Like I said, I wanted to get that ground back connected. The only thing I was wanting to do for sure. So there it is. And it does work. Now I think there's maybe a little bit of a I won't say connection, but there's some, definitely some feedback through here because I touched that. I don't know if you noticed it when I touched it. It made a difference in the hum. So, like I say, that's we just want to make sure that's working, and it is. So that's good. All right, I think that's going to do me for now. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you.